Hi everyone! Welcome back sa aking channel. For this video, ang lesson pa rin natin ay integral calculus. After knowing the 4 basic integration rules, ay magsasagot tayo ng mga integrals ng algebraic functions. For problem number 1, we have the integral of the quantity of x minus 3 squared with respect to x. Before we continue, please like, follow, and subscribe to my social media accounts. Again, ang problem natin is find the integral of x minus 3 squared, or rather, the quantity of x minus 3 squared with respect to x. Kung mapapansin nyo, ang ating problem ay composite function or the squares of binomial. So, hindi natin pwede i-apply agad yung ating mga 4 basic integration rules kasi ito ay quantity na naka-squared. Ang gagawin natin dito is kailangan i-expand muna natin yung x minus 3 squared. So this is expansion of binomial or squares of binomial. Dalawa yung pwede natin gawing paraan dito. Pwede tayong gumamit ng FOIL method. So that is x minus 3 times x minus 3. Pag ginamitan natin siya ng FOIL method, ang sagot dyan is x squared minus 6x plus 9. Pwede rin natin gamitin dito yung shortcut ng square of binomials, yung ating a plus b squared. Ang ating a ay x, ang ating b ay negative 3. Still, the same pa rin yung magiging answer na x squared minus 6x plus 9. So, ang next line of solution natin dito is the integral of x squared minus 6x plus 9 with respect to x. So, this time, pwede na natin i-apply yung ating basic integration rules. So, ito ay trinomial. So, tatlong terms na isa-separate natin yung kanilang mga integrals, then proceed tayo sa kanilang operation na subtraction at addition. So, ito ngayon ay magiging the integral of x squared with respect to x, then minus the integral of 6x with respect to x, then plus the integral of 9 with respect to x. Sa ating unang term, dahil ito ay x squared, ang i-apply natin dito is power rule. So, ang sagot sa integral niya is x raised to 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 plus arbitrary constant number 1. Then, sa part na to, dahil ito ay 6x, so gagamitan pa rin natin ito ng power rule. Yung 6 na coefficient, ilalabas lang muna natin as coefficient ng buong integral. So, ito ay magiging minus 6 times x raised to 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1 plus arbitrary constant number 2. And then for this one, dahil ito ay 9, the integral of 9 is 9x plus arbitrary constant number 3. And then pwede na natin itong i-simplify. Itong part na to ay magiging x cubed over 3. Then it naman ay magiging negative 6 times the quantity of x squared over 2. Then plus 9x. Then yung tatlong arbitrary constant ay gagawin na lang nating single constant plus c. Ayan. So tignan natin kung pwede pa natin siya i-simplify. So sa part na to, pwede natin i-simplify 6 divided by 2 ay 3. So ang pwede nating final answer dyan is x cubed over 3 minus 3x squared plus 9x plus c. And then pwede rin natin ilabas yung 1/3 as coefficient. Kaya pwede rin nating final answer is 1/3 x cubed minus 3x squared plus 9x plus c.